Hey gang, it's Greg and Janet with Strange RV Tours. Today we have a project. We've got two 8-foot railroad ties that we're going to lay out on the ground because we're having a Connex delivered here later this week, which is a big 40-foot container to hold tools and stuff like that on our property. So our objective today is to get these things unloaded and hopefully get them leveled, so that when the Connex gets here, he can drop it off and not be stuck here for an hour and a half while we're trying to level it. So,
all right, the guy put little flag markers here. Greg's gonna pull up a little bit. I'm gonna try to dump these railroad ties.
get it?
Yeah, watch your toes.
Roll it off.
Ta-da! Ready?
Watch your toes.
Yeah, that's the 40-foot.
This is okay. Okay, gang. Now what we're trying to do is get these railroad ties parallel to each other, exactly 40 feet away from each other on center, because our Connex, or our container that we purchased that they're going to deliver this next week, is 40 feet long and 8 feet wide. And I don't want it to sit on the ground because it'll end up rotting the bottom of the container. So I want it up off the ground, so we're going to sit each side on a railroad ties. And the corners of the Connex, or the container, the four corners are the strongest points of the container. You don't have to have railroad ties or anything supporting the bottom and the middle. It should be strong enough. That's what we've been told anyway. So we have them 40 feet apart now, on center, and now we have to try to level them, get them level. They don't have to be level front to back, but they do side to side, because if one side is level and the other side is not, your Connex will twist a little bit and the doors will be just about hard, or just about impossible to open and close. So you've got to get those level. So that's what we're going to work on now. The side towards the fence needs to come up about an inch, inch and a half, it looks like.
Yeah.
Okay. Then
And the other side. This one looks like it too, huh?
this one looks like it's a little worse.
Yeah. Yeah, a little bit. See? How about the same, huh?
Okay. All right, so
So,
let's
do you want to dig it out, or do you want?
I'd rather dig it out.
Yeah. Cool.
We went a little deep there.
And watch your step. Take measure here.
We're dead on.
Yeah. Looks
Dead
like,
on. Okay.
Alright, see where we're at on this one.
Way off.
Yeah.
Seems like there's a high spot right here. See if that helped.
Wow, you're good.
Ah, I bet that'll be close.
All right, let's see, guys. That's straight on. That's straight on. Right in the middle.
Is it in the center?
Yeah? It's right in the middle. Yeah, that's our shipping container, you guys. From China. I think, tell him where it's going to be. He doesn't know.
Oh, we're good out here. Okay. Yeah, see where the 2 railroad ties are over here?
It's that beautiful sand.
Yeah, that's where it's gonna go.
I think I could turn around in the sand.
Okay.
Probably.
Okay, we got the railroad ties are up by the fence. Railroad ties are up by the fence. It doesn't look like he was sinking bad. What do you think? Does it look straight to you?
Looks pretty good, yeah.
Okay. This is cool, y'all. I don't know. We need to come back like a foot.
Yeah, but we're gonna have to put this over.
Really? Alright.
We just passed it.
Okay. Okay, right there. You want to tell him to stop there? Right.
That's good.
That's good. Okay.
Yeah, I've seen those too. Yeah.
What do you think? Right there.
Yeah.
When there's about, just let me know when this gets to like that much of the trailers to the end right there.
Okay.
If you don't mind.
No problem.
Right.
This one, right?
Yeah. Okay. Right there.
Oh!
Now this way, we gotta turn it back over, right?
Now we're gonna slide this one back in there.
Yeah, he flipped it this way. Turn over.
Flip it over because this side's a lot straighter. Yeah.
Over here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We've done this a time or two.
Woo, working today.
All right, here we go. Here he goes. Boom. Let's see what this baby looks like on the inside.
Oh, I bet it is. Yeah. Make sure to paint it a light color.
They got the hooks at the bottom to tie things off.
I was trying to get the jerky.
It'll be halfway down to your home.
I don't see light. I don't see holes.
We got doing this for this in storage.
I think so. Yeah. I left my vape in the car.
I don't usually like hitting it, but I was like, I need some nicotine. This is Big Sandy, Texas, correct?
Uh-huh. Pretty cool.
I need to get me one of those GoPros
Yeah.
for delivering and stuff.
Yeah.
The videos would be awesome.
Yeah. It's like, it's YouTube. Yeah. Super heavy. Yeah, it looked like it was heavy. Yeah. Doesn't look like it's 40 foot, but it is. Awesome.
Strange RV tours will take you places with Greg and Janet's smiling faces. You might see a crazy flavored soda review or some tips to fix your RV too. So come along, won't you join us, friend, as we discover what's around the bend. Just sit right back in your easy chair. Strange RV Tours is on the air. Strange RV Tours is on.